Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can insert or remove a SIM card for your iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, or the iPhone 13 mini. Now the SIM tray is located on the left hand side of the device. So if you are left-handed, you can hold your phone this way. Otherwise, if you're a right-handed person, you can turn your phone upside down like this and just make it a bit easier to take out the SIM card. So you use the SIM pin and you push into the hole right here. There is a small hole that you push it right in, and then you just kind of like push it and the SIM tray will pops out. Once it pops out, you can use your fingernail and pull it out, and then we're just going to place the SIM card on top of the tray with a metal contact facing upwards, and then we're going to insert it into the slot right there. So just like that, and you want to put it in, push it all the way in, and then turn your phone around, and that's it. Now we just wait for the phone to pick up your SIM card. If this is your brand new SIM card, you will need to go through and activate the SIM card. And that's it. So to remove the SIM card is basically the same. You just push the pin in and then pull it out. And then you can take out the SIM card and then put your SIM tray back into the phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.